I hope all of you are doing very well. So today let us get into the video straight away, and it is the second half of the 9th chapter, and it is just the continuation of the previous video. Only thing is I split it into two because I didn't want to make a single video, a very lengthy video. I want you to play this and listen to it again and again. Okay, see what he says is, your subconscious gives you compound interest. How? Is it a bank or what? So, to tell him that has the feeling of wealth, more wealth shall be added. This is why he said earlier, always you must be in your millionaire mindset. You should be in a lakhir mindset. You should be in a crorepati mindset. Your mindset matters. Okay. To him that has the feeling of wealth, more wealth shall be added. To him that has the feeling of lack, more lack shall be added. So, every morning as you awaken, deposit thoughts of prosperity, success, wealth and peace. Dwell upon these concepts. Busy your mind with them as often as possible. So, why nothing happened? In spite of saying that I am a millionaire, nothing happened because you indulged in fear thoughts. Perhaps 10 minutes later and neutralized the good you had affirmed. That is, maybe you went to the temple, you prayed to God nicely, that you want money, like that. And then, or you say you are a millionaire. And then when you come out of the temple, or when you, after 10 minutes, you are not even after 10 minutes, as you say that you are a millionaire, your mind is questioning, the mind is teasing you, the mind is making fun of you, saying that why do you keep saying you are a millionaire when you are a pauper? You don't have anything with you, you have no money at all. Like that, the mind is creating a conflict. Okay, that's why he gave a mantra last time. In the previous video I said, here also he has repeated the same. See, he says, nothing happened because you indulged in fear thoughts. Perhaps 10 minutes later, and neutralized the good you had affirmed. So, by day and, say this, he says, by day and by night I am prospered in all my ways. By day and by night I am prospered in all my ways. So whatever I think, whatever I plan, money is coming, money is flowing into me, like that. Then the true source of wealth is your subconscious mind, because it is never short of ideas. It can create a lot of ideas. Okay, there are within it an infinite number of ideas. So when you want to do business, when you want to make money, you get a lot of ideas from your subconscious mind. Give a patient listening. Listen to it and then execute it. Okay. He says, see, there can be a tsunami, there can be an earthquake, there can be, the stock market may go up and down, there may be a lot of fluctuations in the value of money. The value of money, currency, dollar goes up, comes down. But he says these are all only symbols. You don't bother about all those things. You be very steady in planning and making money. Okay. So the point I want to emphasize is that if you convince your subconscious mind that wealth is yours and that it is always circulating in your life, if you impress upon your subconscious mind that wealth is yours and it is always circulating within you or in your life, then you become wealthy. Okay. You will always and inevitably have it, regardless of the form it takes. Okay, whether in Indian rupees or in dollars or in dirhams or whatever, in pounds, whatever it is. Okay. So, trying to make ends meet and the real cause. So, many people are struggling. They are trying to make both the ends meet. That is because So the reason they speak critically of their more prosperous associates, that is, they criticize. They are envious of the people who are rich. So they go to the extent of criticizing them. They don't like to acknowledge that another person like him is very rich. So you become envious of that person and you start talking ill of that person. Now all these things will backfire on you. Okay, it is not going to harm him at all. It is going to backfire at you. So see, the quickest way to cause wealth to take wings and fly away is to criticize and condemn others who have more wealth than you. So if your neighbor is wealthier than you, then you start talking ill of him, you start abusing him, because the enmity is there. You have developed an enmity because you are envious of his wealth. Okay, so the common stumbling block is the envy. So remove that. If he is wealthy, he deserves it, and so he is wealthy. Okay, that is how we should think. So money flows from you instead of to you. See, you should have enough money to do charity. Okay, you should have that much of money, enough for you and for your family, and still there is so much which can be distributed for charity, which can be utilized for charity. So what he says is, remember, the block or the obstacle is block or obstacle to wealth is in your own mind. In our own mind. The block is in our own mind. So as you go to sleep at night, practice the following technique. That is, repeat the word wealth quietly, easily, feelingly, with feelings. Okay, do this over and over again, just like a lullaby. And then you keep repeating the word wealth, wealth, wealth. Then definitely this will percolate into your subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind will take care of your desires. Okay, by its own method. Okay, we need not say this is the method for this. This subconscious mind has plethora of ideas, and it will execute it to make you wealthy. Okay, so don't become envious of the people who are richer than you, and don't talk ill of them. Okay, and keep a millionaire mindset. Then the money will flow to you in avalanches of abundance. You be a money magnet. Okay, so let us try this. May God bless you.